This is Evan's furnace. Looking at replacing furnace. AC looks to be the same age. So we've got our return drop here. Goes into a EnviroCare Elite filter system. Go up top, 80% efficient. They tie in back here to the water heater and then go up. Condensation is currently done into a condensation pump, and that's routed along with the line set, which looks like it just goes and dumps outside. There's a floor drain in the room as well. Electrical got coming in over here. It comes down to the switch right here, which is also tied in the condensation pump. Gas line, we'll put a drip leg on it. New flex going in. Then a utility room in the basement. Back to those